What is a neutron star? Imagine an object so dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh more than 1 billion tons on Earth. This is not science fiction. This is a neutron star, one of the most extreme objects in the known universe. A neutron star is born from the violent death of a massive star. When a star at least 8 times heavier than our Sun runs out of nuclear fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravity. The core collapses in a fraction of a second, triggering a colossal explosion known as a supernova. What remains after this explosion is the star's core, crushed into an incredibly small and dense sphere only about 12 miles wide. Despite their small size, neutron stars pack more mass than our Sun into that tiny space. This makes them the densest observable objects in the universe, second only to black holes. Their gravity is so strong that it warps space-time, and standing on one would be impossible. The gravitational force would flatten you instantly. Neutron stars are made almost entirely of neutrons, subatomic particles normally found in atomic nuclei. Under such extreme pressure, electrons and protons merge together, forming a giant atomic nucleus unlike anything else in nature. The physics inside a neutron star is still not fully understood, pushing the limits of modern science. Many neutron stars spin at astonishing speeds. Some rotate hundreds of times per second, emitting beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. When these beams sweep past Earth, we detect them as regular pulses, and these spinning neutron stars are called pulsars. They are so precise that some pulsars rival atomic clocks in accuracy. Neutron stars also have incredibly powerful magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. In rare cases, these fields twist and snap, releasing intense bursts of energy known as gamma-ray flares, briefly outshining entire galaxies. Studying neutron stars helps scientists understand gravity, nuclear physics, and the fundamental nature of matter. They are cosmic laboratories where the laws of physics are tested to their absolute limits. In the darkest corners of space, neutron stars stand as silent reminders of just how extreme our universe can be.